Aiper Scuba S1 automatic robot pool cleaning system is a great system. I love having this for my pool. I've been a customer for about a year now, and I love this machine. Let me tell you about it. It is a workhorse. It has these caterpillar threads and these dual caterpillars here, these dual massive threads here that let it run very well. It has incredible features. Look at all the features it has here. It has 150 minutes runtime. It'll clean up to 1,600 square feet. It has a precision mapping system where it will learn the pattern of your pool. I have a kind of an oval peanut-shaped pool, and it does it perfectly every time. It cleans the floors and the walls, and it will do everything that you need it to do to keep your pool clean and easy to use, ready to use for your family. It's automatic. Look at the way it does its precision mapping. And it climbs the walls and cleans the water line as well. I think you will really love this pool cleaner. Some of the things I love about it, it's so easy to clean. Look at this big bin. Slips right out, catches a lot of debris in there, and it simply just opens like a basket, and you empty it out and hose it off, and that's all you have to do. It has a charge port that is very powerful and charges it fully really quickly, and I can use it daily, or I can use it every few days. It has a couple of different modes. It has 4 different modes that you can choose, whether you want to focus on the walls, the surface, whether you want to focus on the walls, the bottom, or the sides. You will find that you'll have just the right. It has 4 different modes. It gives the pool owner just exactly the ability to choose what they want for that day, and very easy to carry. It's lightweight. I highly recommend it. Let me show you how it works. You climb the stairs like this one, thoroughly clean the surface of the stairs, and climb the walls with an organized, navigated pattern, and it will clean the water line and the bottom of the pool. Look at this. Is the Aiper S1. It's a cordless revolution. You simply charge it, press it, and go. Its caterpillar wheels will take it everywhere your pool needs. It is superior mobility with the caterpillar treads, and it navigates the floors, the walls, the water lines with precision. See it in action here. It will begin to mark the path, and the path will be in straight lines, not chaotic. It's called upgraded wave path navigation. It makes all of those missed spots a thing of the past. It's ideal for pools that are 1,600 square feet or 50 foot in length. The Scuba S1 will handle pools of various sizes and shapes. On a single charge, it will clean for 2.5 hours. It will scrub the water line, then it will revert back down to the bottom of the pool, establishing a pattern. It's all in one comprehensive pool clean here. It's creating a pattern while it's cleaning. The dual scrub wheels, as well as the caterpillar treads, scrub in different directions, which really cleans the pool's edge. It comes with this hook tool that you can easily retrieve. Because of the gripping wheels and caterpillar treads, it will not slip or slide when it climbs up the wall. You can see it's picked up all kinds of debris, leaves, very fine little dirt at the bottom of the pool. Simply rinse and return it. Very easy to reinsert, and simply hold the button down for 2 seconds. As you can see, it's done a terrific job of cleaning these stairs here, as well as the bottom of the pool. This incredible pool cleaning revolutionary system has been gifted to me for my honest review. I highly recommend it.